Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GusandCho.com. I want to talk about the qualifications for an FHA loan. If you have a 500 to 580 credit score, you need 10% down. If you have 580 above, you need 3.5% down. And when it comes to the down payment, you have to show those funds in your bank account, either a gift or your own savings. So you have to have that money on your bank account no matter what. You get the closing costs credited to you, but you have to have that 3.5% or that 10%. Now, if you're below 580, you're stuck to the ratios of 31/43 on a manual underwrite, and for approve eligible, whatever the desktop approves. For above 580 on a manual underwrite, you have different tiers of debt to income ratios, but on a regular approve eligible, we go 46.9 on the front end ratio to 56.9 on the back end ratio. So let's talk about the 580 credit. So above 580, 3.5% down in the bank. You can go up to 46 over 56 with some decimals in there if the computer approves you. And again, you have to have that money in your bank, and those ratios are based on what we calculate as your real income. So if you think you make $100,000 a year, but you're self-employed, and we determine that you only make 50, then your debt to income ratio is calculated off that 50, not the 100. So it depends what your income is to calculate those ratios, and what we can use for income and what we can't use for income. So another thing when it comes to FHA, the house has to fit FHA standards. So you have to have a decent house. Like, it's got to be move-in ready, and basically, I mean, it could be 1970s shag carpeting, but the house has to be functional. You can't have big tears and holes in the carpeting, but it can be old. The kitchen can be old, but everything has to work. The faucets have to turn on. The plugs have to be, you have to plug something in, it goes on. The electric has to work. So keep that in mind when it comes to FHA. So remember, you need to have the money, stay within those ratios. You have to buy a house that's move-in ready, and if you got those three things, we can get you with FHA loans. So give me a call, 630-915-7550. Let me help you with your FHA purchase. Please subscribe. Thank you.